FX trading channel. Do well to like our videos, subscribe on TikTok and also on YouTube. We're available at the same Cheesy Tunes FX. All right. So quickly, I told you and I promised I was going to show you the settings for the fixed range volume profile. The fixed range volume profile under forecasting instrument, or should I say? Okay. This is it. So the fixed range volume profile. So I'm going to show you the settings for it. So quickly, I won't be wasting much time on this video. So just like I highlighted in the previous video, my this is my point of interest, and now this is the settings that you have been waiting for, you've been looking out for. It's not far from the default, so I just made some adjustments. This is still where it is, number of rows. This is at 20 row size, volume up down. You can choose to use, some people use delta, and it looks this way, but I don't really like delta that much, so I prefer up down. So this helps me to see how the buyers and the sellers were able to deal with it in the market. So the styles, okay, for the values you have to, if yours are not ticked, do have to tick them. Okay, I choose purple for the values, just like you can see here. Width of the box 20. Okay, let me scroll down so I can get something. You can also copy the settings if you want to. Value VAH is value area high, VAL is value area low, POC is point of control. Now, how do you know this? The value area high is colored red, which is here. The value area low is colored blue, which is here. And the point of control, I color it yellow. So you can choose any color of your choice. I prefer these colors and it's working for me. So you can choose any color of your choice. So color does not have any effect on it, but it helps you to identify so you don't get confused. I think a red thing here is okay. Coordinates are fine. Default visibility is also default, and okay. So this is the settings for the fixed range volume profile. So it's either you wait or you can join this buy so price come here, but I can always tell you wait for price to come to your order. If price doesn't come, you leave it. That is how you trade professionally. Don't force a trade. If the price doesn't come to your entry, you forget about it and you go for the next one. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Do well to like, share, subscribe. We also have a Telegram group. Also, you can join our Telegram group. I'll try and post the link maybe on my bio and let you know. Do well to join our Telegram group where we share signals for free. We have the VIP. We also have, and we also do mentorship. Also, in case you're in for mentorship, do well to contact me. Bye. Thank you.